Hello students, this is continuation class from the first model. I will explain cumulative distribution function. The cumulative distribution function of a random variable x is the probability that a random variable x takes a value less than or equal to x. Mathematically, CDF is denoted as fx of x is equal to p of x less than or equal to x. According to the definition, fx of x is a CDF function is equal to the probability that a random variable x which takes a value less than or equal to event x. For example, event x is the discrete value is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here x is 3. Then CDF is fx of 3 is equal to p of x less than or equal to 3. Then it is denoted as p of 1 plus p of 2 plus p of 3. Here the x range is less than or equal to 3. Okay, next, the properties of CDF. First property states that the CDF is bounded between 0 and 1. We know that the CDF is denoted as fx of x is lies between 0 and 1. That is 0 less than or equal to fx of x less than or equal to 1. Because the CDF has probability, then the probability lies between 0 to 1. Okay, here minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 1. Okay, next property, the fx of minus infinity is equal to 0 and fx of plus infinity is equal to 1. The proof of second property using this line. Okay, your starting point is minus infinity, x1 and x2 are the events and plus infinity is maximum value. First, x is equal to minus infinity. Okay, x is equal to minus infinity means no events present before minus infinity. Hence, p of x less than or equal to minus infinity. Okay, here x value is minus infinity will be always 0. Okay, therefore, fx of minus infinity is equal to 0. Okay, next, at x is equal to infinity. Okay, here x is maximum value. Okay, here occur all the events. Then the probability of certain event is always equal to 1. Hence, fx of infinity is equal to 1. Okay, next, property 3. It states that the CDF is always increasing function. Okay, fx of x1 less than or equal to fx of x2 if x1 less than or equal to x2. Okay, in the event here always increasing function. Okay, here x1, x2, x3 and so on. It is always increasing values. Okay, next, property 4. The probability p x1 less than or equal to x less than or equal to x2 is equal to fx of x2 minus fx of x1 if x1 less than or equal to x2. Okay, it is always increasing function. Okay, just we will take the difference of x2 minus x1. Next property, the CDF is in non-decreasing function or increasing function. Okay, it is always positive value. The derivative of d by dx fx of x greater than or equal to 0.